For this really quick recipe, I'm going to be adding 2 cups of rice. I'm going to rinse my rice, and then after that, I'm going to butter up my pan, and then I'm going to add the rinsed rice once it's all dry into the pan. I'm going to add 4 cups of rice. Unfortunately, I did not have onion or garlic, so I did improvise, and there's nothing wrong with that. I did add onion powder, garlic powder, and chicken bouillon. I added corn, I added peas. Everything's organic, by the way, so don't get scared. I added a little bit of cilantro just for taste, and then you just let it cook. And I did end up finding some breaded shrimp from Aldi. They are delicious. You put them in the oven and they're ready to serve. Boom.